Today we want to prepare egg in the whole bread. It sounds funny, but we are going to prepare it. With your this, you make a hole in your bread. You make a hole in your bread. You put it aside, and then you put in your bread in the pan. You crack in your egg inside. Today only is going to be special. You sprinkle in your cheese. Sprinkle the cheese on top. Make sure all is covered. Then you cover it for the egg to be cooked. So our egg in the hole is still sweet, tasty and yummy recipe. Subscribe to my channel. Just hit on the subscribe button. Like, share and give a comment the next time. So our egg in the whole bread. You can see how yummy it look. Your quick recipe